Hanjang lang solong GHIC FLT ang dumkiti kapatu. Nun lutu mar MI ala subjek a kitab kangpu. Towar kasilam amen pen thang alu avipin tami sangti harlong purlong babuteron. Kardom Pini prime time ambirta kethanabang nili sami vilin rong parpi nonar juik tha pirta angton pen Hanjang Langso Sports Association atum kapatir pi pen abarim BDO kalitang phukon rong pi chikimu amen pen Greater Hanjang Langso Inter Club League Football Tournament surihini ra krisir cap pini angdum kiti patsuponlo Arni kangsam porpai hini pen HSA amai phu Jivan Chandra Pathak pen kachipahem phu amai along alohi sar pu aman pen Karbianglong Autonomous Council EM Jagat Singing ti chetongdun Anparta Manpeng alohi hidhinat rongpi Ramsing Tokbi Barim VDC Chairman Kadom Terangpi nominated MAC Sima Ronghangpi Kungri Teronpi lapen kithikiding atum chetongdun Angdung kiti pathu along Mora Kordoiguri Club lapen Kathalguri Prince Club atum angbongsi pathu ponlo ke pathu kecheng pen nat kapathu aterang atumta ke theksera jog goal ECC an CPC chedai koilo Abhi minute cap akili apor ke pathu thu ahut Kathalguri Prince Club atum goal EC thapthusi Kathalguri Prince Club hini lapen Mora Kordoiguri Club EC chepahaipon nong ikapajir amayalong runners up trophy lapen Tangka suri ket manpen aluhi brown medalist Rajan Rongpi lapen sangpi Rina Terangpi atum banghini Karlitang Kongching Timung Chikimo Amenpen Pajirpon ke hayatum aphan chetongdun aluhi sarpu Karbianglong Autonomous Council EM Jagat Singing ti arideng pen nong e trophy lapen tangka suri krep ho Pajirpon
Bilang alo abu abi ara kuntani kihan laga Hanjang Langso long isi Mersen stadium di Pulau Stadium akan donangi bukan. Ini tu akan terkeman do, onayon siya makai keluar orang, lapen non IMP, akan horensing dia tu, kawoi pen, ini tu non itu yang berkat nampak.
Bukajan pen ananterang Karbianglong live. Lokacharli achutai along ta maralamaki pachandun theknang ji lapen maralamaki kache thangdun thekji phan pura pini Karbianglong Mar Association patir PC Dipu Circuit House Conference Hall along nunlu tu mar MIL subject a kitab ingpu Labangso kitab kangpu amayalong kachupa alohi sarpo Assam University Pro Vice Chancellor Dr. Ranjit Singh arideng pensi ingpulo Lasohut alohi aman pen Deputy Commissioner Mukul Kumar Saikia, Difu Government College Principal Dr. Nirab Kumar Sharma, 20 Battalion CRPF Commandant RD Jenny Anal lapen pinangan man pen kidotum chetongdun. Nunhlu pualabang soa subject a kitab jasamet ke Assam University campus kaparlo TDC 3rd semester mate TDC course aphansi panong ponchotlang.
The name of the book chosen for a degree course, TDC course in Bar language. We are having this privilege from Assam University Center. We are starting this year and we are going to apply. This is very much like a hot cake right now. We publish today, from tomorrow onward, students are going to appear in exam immediately within this session. In fact, we had a background. Assam is kind to us always, and we start with primary level, secondary level, 11 and 12 we start in 2007, then now 2010 university degree course also we have. According to me, a minority group coming up and developing their language, it adds the beauty of the basic group of language. It adds the beauty of the big group of the masses. A small group flourishes, automatically the flourishing of the big group. So we take it positively, and then we hope this getting go very far.
Of our culture, our tradition, and what our people have been doing for their own survival, for their own progress and prosperity. This is the second volume. So we hope that with the introduction of this as a textbook in degree classes, people will not only learn our culture, they will also inculcate in them good values of life so that they become good citizens of the future.
Hmara khail alam ki an susi kapachan pon thekji aphan lapen pirthe adang kapache thangdun thekji aphan loka charli achotaya long anta alang litum la puson ka charli awar sai mate MIL a subject ki bidun thega puthak kachetong dun aluhi atum pen patirpi atum aphan kachuro pajir. Camera person Sarjip Kathar pen Digonto Teron Karbi Anglong Live Diphu. Karbi Anglong along leke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council along se jakong do bonsitami Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ta Karbi Anglong arat aridengsi do. Kedamtang bosik ni phai isi surihini ra krisir kep arni Hamran along inut chirok tok abang fu babu teron pen ajok Forest Department Hamran Division mate Hamran Central Range kapar luang kang aron repen harlong ki phur do pu ajoini Hamran Police Station along Nirmal Enterprise lapen Moromi Enterprise atumaphan case number 11/2019 under section 379 IPC RW section 21(5) MMDR Act ateng pen lamhoi ki pi padupon lo alangli lamhoi ki pi ateng law and order ahin pen katar lip asai pe do da phi alang liphan togjir pen lamboi pithulo lasi Hamran Police Station pen lamboi ki pi aputhak pini babu teron pen ajok pherangki amai ke pha padupon si lamboi alam ninjipon
Yang ketun bang be alam nasi pilo pahelo final report na pilo harlong sangti ning hang aling kulong
Forest Department Hamran Central Range kapar luangtang thangna alo abai pinta aron repen sangti arlong ki phurdo puchini lorsi lamhoi ki pi lobonta non ke law and order atum katar lip asai pedodet aphike Nirmal Enterprise lapen Moromi Enterprise atum thangnat akechok chi ave pusi lam klang pusi teron sangho pen ningje
tipi calan kadu ka vela ke pon ke bang ahot thang tanang ke lang lo bang avelo la pulo
abelo la kedam tangan tamel la forest pen chiki pi pi si kam chok bom la he asin non ta la pusi kam chok bom po yalo yo thang dak alam abelo teman dak nilipan nili dak final report dak kelong final report kelong ateng la pahelo illegal mining ke dak central range long gabe no kabe nili dumna pusi nili kamata tami illegal mining abe no ta dak
lasi lason pulote majok le harlong sangti phurji setame majok aphanta karjunang ji alam matsi ave ninghangaling phurjam ponjam setame lo puta alang lipen ningje
Suhan ke nale tum nohok ta harlong kurlong sangti kurlong apen korea bepin tame nale tum harlong sangti kurlong PMG swaya towar tam aphan development aphan tame ngapen NEC aphan tame apen bangjok ta tham kheden bangwe
Terona sangho pen lamthe ki jai pon thuke Karbi Anglong along le Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council along si ajakong do bonsitame Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ta Karbi Anglong arat arideng along si do lasi nona teng pulote mua phi aphansi aphorkimo along asonsi Karbi Anglong along leke ning ke hangaling claim dam long pualam the klang de jita hai puta Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council kachari atum phan jongdam
isi ningrong belta la pelo Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen alang itu ke claim pon karsik ateng si development aphan kacirap dunia busi non nilai tu tamirad tu kan berda ke mekewan pil pelo nale tu kontraktor bu tame development kan an ke nale tu nohok le halong puru wak tame kuari abe pin pen tame nale tu halong cipulong athma nilai bu tam jikal pelo dak Hamran division under Central Range under मतलब West Karbi Anglong district naso along anke jurisdiction anke nale tum nohok ta along kurlong sangti kurlong apen korea bepin tame nale tum along sangti kurlong PMG swaya towar tam aphan development aphan tame ngapen NEC aphan tame apen bangjok ta tham kheden bangwe ta baso along sangti kurlong
Pini prime time aberta bangke lapan sikang tonik long domet thakme kardong